The Dremel Blueprint Multi-Drill is a compact powerhouse built for precise and efficient drilling. Whether you're crafting, repairing, or customizing, this tool delivers accuracy with its adjustable settings and ergonomic grip. The DD12V features a high-performance motor, ensuring effortless drilling in wood, metal, or plastic. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the variable speed control gives you ultimate precision. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, this drill is a must-have. With a long-lasting battery and durable build, it's ready for any project. If precision and versatility are what you need, this tool is for you. Lifting heavy, non-porous materials just got easier with the DeWalt Grabo lifter. This powerful suction-based tool grips materials like tiles, glass, and countertops with ease, reducing strain and improving efficiency. With its 20-volt max battery, it provides strong and reliable suction power for handling awkward loads. The ergonomic design makes it user-friendly, and the robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a contractor, carpenter, or DIY enthusiast, this tool will revolutionize the way you lift. No more struggling with slippery materials. Get a grip with the Grabo lifter. Say goodbye to tight spaces slowing you down. The King Tony 2747 DR Swivel Palm Ratchet is a game-changer for mechanics and DIYers. With its 360-degree swivel head, this tool reaches awkward angles effortlessly, making work in confined spaces a breeze. Designed for comfort and precision, its ergonomic grip ensures smooth operation. Made from high-quality materials, it delivers durability and reliability for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're tightening bolts under the hood or assembling furniture, this ratchet is your go-to tool. Get more done with less effort. When it comes to installing manholes and cones, safety and efficiency are key, and the SVZ Uni Clamp delivers both. This robust tool provides a secure grip, making lifting and positioning heavy components effortless. Its adjustable design ensures versatility for different sizes, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Used by professionals worldwide, this clamp streamlines workflow and reduces manual labor. If you need a safer, faster way to handle heavy lifting and construction, this is a must-have. Work smarter, not harder with the SVZ Uni Clamp. Handling large glass panels has never been safer or easier than with the Golia Magnum. This cutting-edge lifting system offers superior suction and stability, reducing the risk of breakage. Designed for professional glaziers, it makes moving, installing, and positioning glass effortless. The Magnum's precision controls allow for smooth maneuvering, and its heavy-duty build ensures reliability. Whether you're working on skyscrapers or residential projects, this system gives you total confidence. Say goodbye to risky manual lifting. Golia Magnum gets the job done safely and efficiently. Meet the BT Compaction Roller BTDR700Y, a powerhouse designed for compacting soil, asphalt, and gravel with ease. This heavy-duty roller delivers exceptional compaction force, making it perfect for roadwork and landscaping. Its robust engine ensures consistent performance, while the ergonomic controls provide easy operation. With its durable construction, it's built to withstand the toughest job sites. Whether you're laying a foundation or maintaining a road, this machine guarantees professional results. Get maximum efficiency with the BTDR700Y and make compaction work a breeze. Aligning and securing pipes during welding has never been easier, thanks to the mechanical external cage clamp by DWT Pipe Tools. This clamp ensures perfect alignment, reducing errors and making welding faster and more efficient. Built for heavy-duty use, it provides strong and stable support for pipes of various diameters. Its simple yet effective design allows for quick setup and adjustment. Whether you're working in industrial, construction, or plumbing applications, this tool is essential. Improve your welding precision and efficiency with this high-quality external cage clamp. For heavy-duty metalwork, the ABM29 double-sided beveling machine is the ultimate tool. This portable auto-feed beveler ensures precise, clean bevels on both sides of a plate in a single pass. It boosts efficiency and minimizes material waste, making it perfect for professional fabricators. The powerful motor and durable build guarantee long-term performance in industrial environments. Easy to operate, it reduces manual labor and ensures consistent results. Whether you're working with steel, aluminum, or other metals, this machine gets the job done with precision. Speed up your workflow with the ABM29. The SUHNER EFCm-02 is an advanced robotic grinding and finishing tool that delivers exceptional automation and precision. Designed for industrial applications, it enhances surface quality while reducing manual labor. Its intelligent control system ensures optimal force application, leading to consistent results across different materials. Whether working on stainless steel, aluminum, or other metals, this tool guarantees high efficiency. The modular design makes integration seamless, while its robust build ensures long-lasting performance. Take your automated grinding processes to the next level with the SUHNER EFCm-02. Sanding curved surfaces is now effortless with the Arberttech contour sander. This unique tool is designed to conform to intricate shapes, making it perfect for woodworking and restoration projects. Its flexible sanding pad adapts to contours, eliminating uneven finishes. The powerful motor ensures smooth and efficient sanding without damaging delicate materials. Whether you're working on furniture, sculptures, or custom projects, this sander offers ultimate precision. The ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use. Say goodbye to hand sanding and achieve professional results with the Arberttech contour sander. The Enerack hydraulic pin puller PPH series, designed to take the struggle out of pin removal. This heavy-duty beast uses hydraulic force to extract stubborn pins effortlessly, reducing downtime and physical strain. It's built for heavy machinery maintenance, making it a game-changer in construction and industrial work. The compact design allows easy access to tight spaces, and its precision control ensures safety. Whether you're dealing with large excavators or heavy equipment, this tool makes tough jobs easier. No more hammering or wrestling with stuck pins, just smooth, controlled power. If you want efficiency, this is the tool for you. Say goodbye to clogged HVAC coils with the CoilShot condenser cleaning system. This revolutionary tool uses powerful cleaning pellets instead of water, blasting away dirt and debris with precision. It's compact, easy to use, and saves time by eliminating the need for bulky pressure washers. No more messy hoses or water damage, just quick and effective coil cleaning. Designed for professional technicians and DIYers alike, it extends the life of air conditioners and improves efficiency. Simply load a pellet, aim, and fire. It's that easy. Keep your HVAC systems running at peak performance with CoilShot. Measuring has never been smarter with the Neo Ruler Geo, the ultimate digital ruler for precision work. This sleek, handheld device instantly provides accurate measurements with multiple unit conversions. Whether you're working on blueprints, carpentry, or design projects, it ensures pinpoint accuracy. The easy-to-read digital display reduces errors, while the built-in memory saves your measurements for future reference. It's lightweight, portable, and fits perfectly in any toolbox. With its customizable settings and advanced features, Neo Ruler Geo adapts to your workflow. If precision is key in your projects, this tool is a must-have. Need to cut perfect channels for cables and pipes? The HUNTU 40mm wall chaser makes it effortless with its dual-blade cutting system. Say goodbye to the struggle of chiseling. This tool cuts straight, uniform grooves in concrete, brick, and drywall in seconds. Its adjustable cutting depth allows for versatile applications, while the dust extraction system keeps your worksite clean. The ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue, making long hours of work more comfortable. Whether you're an electrician, plumber, or contractor, this tool speeds up installations like never before. Get the job done cleaner, faster, and with expert precision. Dust and airborne particles can be a nightmare on the job, but the FestoolSYS AIRM is here to help. This compact air purifier captures fine dust and contaminants, keeping your workspace safe and breathable. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or working in a dusty environment, it improves air quality significantly. The lightweight and stackable design makes it easy to transport, while the high-performance filtration system ensures top-notch results. Quiet operation means you can work without noisy interruptions. Keep your air clean and your lungs happy with this powerful purifier, a must-have for any serious craftsman. For precision measuring on long distances, the Stabula Open Reel Tape LBM1000 is unbeatable. This durable tape measure features a reinforced fiberglass blade, resistant to wear, moisture, and harsh conditions. The ergonomic handle makes rewinding effortless, while the shatterproof design ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're surveying, laying foundations, or marking layouts, this tool delivers reliable accuracy every time. Its rugged construction stands up to the toughest job sites, ensuring your measurements are always spot on. Get it right the first time with Stabula's best-in-class open reel tape. Tired of tangled cords? The Link 2 Home Garden and Workshop Cord Reel is your perfect solution. This 75-foot extension cord reel keeps power cords neatly organized and tangle-free. The sturdy, ergonomic handle makes winding and unwinding smooth and effortless. With a durable housing to protect the cord from damage, it's perfect for workshops, job sites, or even outdoor projects. Plus, the built-in circuit breaker ensures safety against overloads. Whether you need power for tools, lights, or garden equipment, this reel has you covered. Keep your workspace tidy and powered up with ease. Big power in a small package, the DeWalt USB Screwdriver DWT-66719 is a must-have for fast, precise work. Its rechargeable USB-powered design means you'll never be left without juice when you need it. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune torque for any job, from delicate electronics to heavy-duty projects. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in tight spaces. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or doing quick repairs, this screwdriver gets the job done. Compact, powerful, and ready to go. Draining water has never been easier than with the Milwaukee M18 stick transfer pump. This cordless, battery-powered pump moves water quickly and efficiently, perfect for job sites, basements, or outdoor use. Its slim stick design reaches tight spaces where traditional pumps can't go, making it incredibly versatile. The auto shutoff feature prevents dry run damage, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're emptying pools, tanks, or flooded areas, this pump is a lifesaver. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, Milwaukee's got the ultimate water-moving solution. Last but not least, the King Tony 5-in-1 multifunctional electrician scissors, a powerhouse for cutting, stripping, and crimping wires. Designed for electricians and DIYers, its precision-ground stainless steel blades provide clean, sharp cuts every time. The ergonomic grip offers comfort for extended use, while the multifunctional design saves space in your toolbox. Whether you're handling cables, cutting insulation, or fine-tuning your work, this tool is built to perform. Durable, efficient, and packed with functionality, King Tony has crafted the ultimate electrician's companion. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.